Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add gallery for your site in Blogger. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on a link. When you're gonna click on it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with all the widgets and one of them is photo gallery. Let's click sign up for free. Now you want to sign with Google or Facebook, it's really up to you which one you choose. When you got it, click login. Now, what you want to do is just right here, gallery. And now you see it here, photo gallery. Let's create a widget. And when we have it, you can choose between traveler, photo shoots. You can like so many of them. Wedding photographer. I really like a lot of them here, honestly. Product. So many of them. Let's just choose travel here, continue with the template. And now you just like change the images, you can upload them, really simple. You can change the layout if you like. I know this one here, that's pretty cool, or grid one. Let's go with grid. Then you get like style and everything. Now just click save. After you have it, you need to choose between the plan. If you're just starting out with your site, go with the light version. That's like pretty cool, pretty easy. That's okay. But if you're gonna have like a lot of views on your site, go with the basic or pro version. That's just my recommendation, what I would do. And that's pretty much it. So now what you want to do is you're gonna have a code. Let's click pages, let's click home and edit the page, HTML, and let's paste it. Let's click save and preview how it looks like. And voila, here you got it. Perfect. And now we got like a really great gallery for your site in Blogspot. Honestly, I like it. And it's pretty good. So this is pretty much it, how it works. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. And by the way, if you're gonna like more apps here, I really recommend checking out all of them. Because if you're gonna choose like 3 or 4 of them, you can save money. And then just like buy all packs. But it's really up to you. So thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.